sure launch the portal or not. That rocket icon is there. Yeah, that. Click on Go. Click on Go. The case ID will be unique. Okay, 1001 is. I think it has been created. Now you can see all the addresses are clubbed right. You try to add a label like for top one. It's a delivery address and below is a current address. Okay, this doesn't look good, right, you like. This is not a best user interface. In the same section you try to add labels on the top and make it inline double. Don't make scroll too much. Okay, that is not a good practice. You should not roll along forms label. Yeah, here is one label and top is one level or what you can do. You know, you can add a label anywhere. Just add a label. Yeah, you add a label there and right-click the label. Right-click. Yeah, see, this right-click was previously, or not getting this right-click right. Yeah, I was not using mouse. This is different laptop. Yeah, okay, so you click on cancel again. Right-click, just right-click. Copy. Now go to the top. Top in the sense of the name, no, not that of scroll this section to the top and paste it. Yeah, you right. Click on the name. Right-click on the name. You click on paste. Oh, it was coming below. No, you drag it to top of a name like you drag it to the. You can actually copy and paste. Okay, yeah, and now you can come down. Yeah, change, 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 change. Yeah, change the name and keep it to the bold. Okay, we have already discussed how to make a text as a bold. Okay, so value will be, is it correct? Or delivery. This one is current right. Okay, current address and all. Yeah, give space here because it's a label. Right, you can give spaces and keep it as a bold. Condition, expression or presentation standard will be OK heading, heading 1, yeah, anything would be fine. Yeah, anything will be fine and you can delete this one. Yeah, or else you can add a text here. It's presentation standard. Now make it as in 2 to feels like inland double because we are scrolling too much, so layout will change right. Yeah, in on layout only, you need not add a new layer. Click on the existing dynamic layer and change the layout structure, double-click. You can double-click or you can click on the gear icon. That settings icon is there. Layout format is there. So you're getting on one by one. Now you see the delivery address went to that side. That has to be you make it this one also, inland grid, double. Then let's adjust the headers. I need to keep this blank right and then add one more. You can delete it. Yeah, you can add it on the top dynamic layout or you can add it on a dynamic layout to it. This one is for the second one, right? Like, yeah, that's what I'm doing. You can take another label and we can just, yeah, you can add it on a dynamic layout to keep it as a blank one. No, let me tell you what share that delivery address heading is for below addresses, yeah, for this one. Yeah, you can add it to either inside that a dynamic layout, right? Why do you add in the top dynamic layout? Yeah, now you make it a stack. Yeah, instead of stack, and you make it inland. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, now you see, we can just go there and check. You can create a case and you can check. The last time we even gave space to the part of the system dash. Yeah, we can. It was not looking that well, so we even took a blank label and we kept it. Yeah, this one is coming on with current address. So this one, I was saying the same thing. We took one blank label and we pasted at the place of name and we dragged and dropped it. Yeah, go there, I'll tell you. And you right-click on current address. Right-click on current address label, copy it. No, you again. Right-click on current address. Now paste it. It will come inside. Now you remove that. You remove that, you make it blank so that it will not come 2 times. Submit, you do the same for delivery also. See, instead of dragging and dropping, this copy and paste will help you, yeah. Okay, current address and address. Now the requirement is like, whenever you enter anything on a current address that has to be coming delivery address on click of a checkbox. Right, yeah, now you try to add one dynamic layout in between current address and delivery address and you add a checkbox property, one layout between these two and try to add a checkbox. Yeah, first, actually, we need a checkbox right on click of checkbox only. We need that action to be performed right. See. The requirement is there should be a checkbox with the ease of current address same as delivery address. Now, whenever you select that checkbox, whatever the data you give on current address, that should be populated in delivery address. Okay. So layout group is the correct thing right now. Layout. You can add dynamic layout. Mostly, 90% of the times, we will add dynamic layout. You can add in between 1 and 2. You have added as 1.1. See, best thing to how to add a dynamic layout is like, see how to drag and drop a dynamic layout easily. On dynamic layout, beside D you have one dot right. You observe that one dot is there. Yeah, you click on that dot and drag it to the bottom. Click on the dot and drag it. Yeah, you try to drag it in.